Dnešní doba je opravdu zvláštní. Dokážete si představit, že přijdete do fitka a někdo vás tam začne natáčet a říkat vám, že je vlastně úchyl? Máme tu další video od Alpha Central. Jdeme rovnou na to.
What's up? Welcome back to Alpha Central. I'm your host, Jack, and today we're taking a look at why gyms are falling apart. But let's jump right in, right after you subscribe.
Už jenom to, že si vezmeš vlastně podstavec na vlastně telefon jenom do toho gymu. Já chápu, je spousta influencerů a tak dále, ale ty vogo, to prostě zbytečně zabírají prostor. Podívejte se třeba rovnou tady na toho týpka. Sedí, čumí, ani o tom neví, že prostě tam někdo je s telefonem a Borka si tam nastaví prostě stativ, dá si tam telefon a musí se prostě nahrát, aby vypadala dobře. Ach jo.
Of course. Disclaimer, this video was made for strictly comedic/artistic purposes. No offense is intended towards any individual featured in this video.
So I was at the gym today doing some dips, and this girl in the background kept staring at me. It made me feel super unsafe and super uncomfortable, and I swear she was taking pictures of me at some point.
To je fakt strašně funny, ty vogo. Proč by si s někoho fotil ve fitku? Do fitka se přišlo, tam přijdeš prostě makat a ne fotit si ostatní týpky, ty vogo. Pokud se ti líbí, tak za ním běž a zeptej se ho třeba na číslo, ale fotit? Dokážete si představit, kdybych já takhle přišel a dejme tomu, že by tam byla nějaká slečna, že bych si ji takhle vyfotil já? Vado, bych měl hnedka 10 ran v obličeji, tyjo, a musel bych smazat to video před všema a vyhnali by mě z toho z gymu.
Literally straight after this, I packed my bags and canceled my membership.
If the roles were
Nedivím se.
reversed, this would have made the news. Absolutely shameless.
Nedivím se. Creepy guy at your gym gets behind you while you're doing hip abductors. Tak tam byl první, ty vole. Tak tam byl... Už jenom to jde vidět, že když se tapla tu kameru, tak vlastně on už tam sedí. Jestli se nepletu. To... Jo, on už tam je prostě, no. No, nebudu to vůbec komentovat. Tohle je moc...
Was there first, and what is
To jsou některé tady ty Vogue ženy.
own business?
Pokud nechceš, aby se na tebe dívali, tak nechoď do veřejných tělocvičen, do veřejných gymů, prostě si najdi něco soukromého, jako máme tady hnedka za barákem 24/7 gym. Máš tam úplně stejné vybavení, můžeš si to loknout, můžeš tam být sám a prostě nemusí se na tebe lidi dívat, jako když jdeš do posilovny, tak lidi se na tebe pořád jako budou dívat. Obzvlášť, když cvičíš s vlastní váhou. Tam prostě neexistuje něco takového, jako že
Ma'am,
by
both
ses
your outfit and your routine
opravdu
scream so
jako, že by ses opravdu nedíval na nikoho. To prostě takhle nefunguje.
Setting up your sets next to women when there are other spaces.
Maybe don't go to a public gym.
agreed.
Přímo, jak jsem říkal.
Get a home gym, lady, and keep your hands to yourself.
This old man had no idea I caught him being a creep towards my homegirls. He was ready.
Že týpek si normálně cvičí.
There's a creep in that gym for sure, but it's not the old man.
Guys, don't be like this. Didn't even say excuse me.
Proceeds to walk in front of me while holding 95 pounds DVS in each hand right before starting my set.
I mean, it is gym etiquette to not stand in front of the dumbbell rack unless you're in the act of actually grabbing a dumbbell, which should only take a few seconds.
To je fakt. Je fakt jako, že člověk, který se postaví přímo před to, přímo před ty činky, tak to bych normálně střílel. Fakt, jako to je prostě jako, vždycky bys tam měl nechat aspoň nějaký prostor na to, aby tam mohli lidi normálně chodit a ne prostě cvičit hned u toho, aby nikdo další tam nemohl projít. Proč? Že vždycky, když jsou tady ty liney s těma činkama, tak ty sedadla nebo prostě ten space tam je. A máš tam třeba, já nevím, 5 metrů na to, nebo dobře přeháním 3 metry, jo, ale prostě můžeš udělat 2 kroky dozadu a ostatní tam můžou normálně chodit. Si myslím, že je úplně zbytečné.
You know what? I have an analogy that I'd like to use for this situation. Imagine the dumbbell rack is like a buffet table. People come and grab food and then they go. Standing in front of the dumbbell rack to do your exercise is just like standing in front of the buffet line to eat your food. You are in the way and it's inconsiderate of others. In general, we should stay clear of this area to let people grab and return dumbbells. To wrap it all up, dumbbell rack or buffet table, once you grab what you need, get out of the way for other people.
Not posting people on your socials without their consent from a private space is also basic etiquette.
Již brzy přichází leden.
My
Již
man
brzy v
was
každém
not getting
fitku.
cancelled today.
Busted! I caught this guy checking me out in the gym. After yesterday's run, I decided to take a rest day and do some stretching.
Wow, you really busted him. So much that you had to slow the video down to make it seem as if he looked at you longer than he did. There is a big difference between staring at someone, checking them out, and simply looking at someone as you walk past them. You're standing on a bench doing an awkward stretch you don't see every day in the gym, and he looks at you as he walks by. That's normal. Anyone would do that. Not to mention you have an entire film production set up, which means you're okay filming this to post on.
Jako asi každý, kdo chodí do fitka, tak představte si, že děláte svoje klasické cviky a někdo opodál se začne protahovat nebo cvičit s vlastní váhou. I když jenom sedíte, tak prostě ten pohyb vás tak zaujme, že se na něho jenom tak letmo podíváte a neznamená to, že byste se na něho díval nebo ho očumoval. Prostě fakt jenom letmo se na něho podíváte, že se tam něco děje, co se tam běžně neděje. Prostě přímo, jak tady říká týpek, to vůbec nechápu
For
to.
the entire internet to see, but it bothers you that someone looks at you for a literal half second? Seriously? And the worst part,
Dnešní
you're
doba.
a coach and a personal trainer, and you don't know better than to treat people this way at the gym? You owe that man an apology, and if you don't, that gym should kick your out. You need to do better. Mind your own business.
Lady, you did everything short of putting a
Yep.
neon sign on it, and men are somehow evil if they even
Jako je opravdu fakt, že spousta lidí řeší strašně moc jako okolní lidi a prostě vždycky si říkají takové to, oni jsou ti špatní, on tam prošel a díval se na mě. Ten týpek neměl absolutní zájem se na to podívat, ty se prostě protahuješ si s vystrčenou řití. To, co čekáš?
glance for a fraction of a second? Come on,
Ach jo.
please.
Něco takového by se u nás ve fitku nestalo, tam všichni se jako respektujou a tohle pokud by se stalo, tak by jako přišlo spousta lidí říct, ať se najde jiný prostor, nebo ať počká, protože ten, kdo tam byl první, tak prostě si dojede v klidu sérii a nebudeš ho vyhazovat. Ach jo. Ještě jak na něho úplně naléhá, prostě ona vyloženě má třeba špatný den a potřebuje se s ním pohádat. Protože
She really had the audacity to call him selfish? You can't
no,
make this up.
přesně.
Why would a man be there? Why would a man be there? No, it's actually pissing me off. Oh my god, it pisses me off. Why would a man be there? Why do you want to be there?
Imagine being mad because a man's working out at the gym. Some people really think they're the main character, don't they?
Jakože fixnutá osa není pro muže, nebo co? Nechápu. Sám tam taky chodím, když prostě není na benči volno, tak jdu na tu osu, protože prostě pořád je to cvik na kozy standardně a může to dělat jak ženy, tak muži. Však Barrett se na ně ani doslova nedívá.
You know, I'd argue the one in skin-tight clothing recording a man without his knowledge is the creepy one. Just saying.
Somebody just farted. Oh my god. Shit farted too bad. What's that, Lil Tay? Lil Tay goes, Lil Tay. Lil Tay. Wait, how I go? It go like, you go, bum, 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 bum. All you gotta do is sit. That's all you gotta do. That's all you gotta do. You got 2 more. I want you to know, come to the gym and just be this fine. I'm just so sick and the weight just be so light for me to worry about yourselves. Don't worry about me. I'm the wrong thing to worry about. Now, if I start doing a jerk in here,
Mic'd up, mic'd up, mic'd up. Mic'd up video should have been dead like a year ago. It was cool at first when people were giving out good information. Now it's brain rot, okay? I just couldn't imagine setting up my tripod and dancing in between sets and then zooming in on people's faces, wondering why they're staring at you. He's probably thinking what we're all thinking.
Přesně tak, jako pokud tam někdo dělá tady tyhle ty kraviny, jakože tam začne tancovat, nebo opravdu tam jde natáčet TikToky, nikdo na to není zvědavý, prostě každý se dívá na toho blázna, co tam vůbec dělá.
Get the frick away from me. So if you want to be a fitness influencer in 2024, I recommend you buy a mic, a tripod setup, and this really cute outfit that goes with your entire personality.
She's not training, she's performing. Just get her a red nose and some circus music.
Okay. Pojď se letmo podívat, protože
A
prostě...
casual glance in a shared space is not checking you out, lady. Get over yourself.
Babe, can you stop looking at me? I'm trying to work out. Al, stop being a creep. Stop looking!
You keep calling me. What are you talking about?
No, I'm not. Let's just work out in peace.
If you can't even have a bit of peace at your own home gym, then what's left? Where do you go?
You know what you are? A f***ing loser. And you know what you're gonna have? Somebody make fun of your kids and see how much you f***ing like that, all right? Why don't you put yourself in that f***ing position, you f***ing toolbox?
There's gross behavior going.
No, jako tohle absolutně nechápu, jako když týpek si tam jede normálně svoji sérii, ona ho začne nahrávat a prostě kam se má ten borec dívat, má zavřít oči a pokračovat v setu, když se potřebuje kontrolovat třeba v zrcadle, jestli jede prostě v té dané ose ramen.
Oh, it's not coming from the man.
Y'all watch this video. Women like to say only men can be creeps. Nah, y'all can be creepy too. Look at her, recording him with no shame, without his permission. Oh, and look how she looks, Ratatouille. I don't understand why women think that they cannot be weirdos or creeps, and I feel like it's because a lot of people don't tell you.
No, já radši to tetování na té hlavě nebudu vůbec komentovat, jo, ale jako v tomhle to má pravdu, prostě je to úplně jedno. Kolikrát jsem taky zažil, že prostě někdo vytáhne telefon a začne si vás nahrávat v ten moment, kdy zvedáte třeba nějakou těžší sérii, anebo děláte nějaký cvik, který oni neznají a chtějí se na něho potom podívat, tak vás začnou jako takhle nahrávat, jo. Dokonce se mi to stalo i u kamarádů, že prostě jenom kamarád ve fitku si mě začal nahrávat a potom se mě zeptal, hele, já tě mám nahraného, co to bylo za cvik, jo. A i tak to není příjemné a teď ještě, když si vezmu, že by to dělal někdo úplně cizí.
You guys get away with a lot of stuff. I guarantee you if that was a guy, there'd probably be people going up to him.
Prosím vás, nedávejte si tetování na hlavu, na čelo, na krk, tyjo, však to vypadá úplně otřesně. Dokážete si představit babičku, že má tady vytetované něco.
A lot of the times you guys do things to men and men don't report you and men don't say nothing about it. But that doesn't mean that you guys aren't creepy. That doesn't mean that you guys aren't wrong. Respect people's space. I would be highly upset if I was at the gym and somebody was recording me that I didn't know. Why are you recording me without my permission? You know what I mean?
Jako jo, navzdory tomu, jak vypadá, tak musím říct, že říká celkem chytrou věc, protože do fitka byste opravdu měli chodit jenom čistě kvůli svému vlastnímu zdraví a abyste tam odmakali svoji vlastní sérii, pokecali s lidma, které tam znáte třeba už x let, ale rozhodně nenatáčet ostatní lidi, prosím.
You ladies want a safe space in the gym, but do you guys create that? No. It seems like you guys go to the gym to start up stuff. Have you guys not been noticing that a lot of women are ruining the gym culture? Like, stay out of the gym if you're gonna be like this.
That creepy woman should get
Já už jsem ani viděl, že třeba u nás ve fitku zavedli ženskou zónu, což znamená, je to pro ženy, které můžou standardně přijít, a chlapi tam nesmí, což znamená, že tam opravdu jako jsou v tom svém safe spaceu, dalo by se říct. A trvalo to ani ne 2 měsíce, 3 a všechny ženy začaly chodit zase zpátky mezi chlapy. Přitom tam mají úplně stejné vybavení, mají to úplně stejně zařízené jako my, ale prostě potřebují být asi mezi náma, nebo nevím, protože skoro nikdo tam není, jo, a to mi přijde jako celkem zvláštní, že když tolika lidem vadí jako ten, neříkám, že tolika, jo, to jsem špatně interpretoval, spoustě takovýchto žen, které si natáčí ostatní lidi, tak potom říkají, že nemají ten svůj safe space a přitom si stačí vybrat fitko, kde mají prostě zónu pro ženy.
Blacklisted
V
from
dnešní době
every
už to
gym
je
in her
skoro
city.
všude.
Unbelievable.
What do you think?
What?
Just staring at this fat, juicy booty.
I'm gay, honey. I wasn't looking at you.
Okay. Okay.
I was not looking at you.
Okay.
Tak ta dostala takovej smackdown do píči.
All right. Well, have a nice day.
You too.
Thanks.
If anything, he was staring at the other guy. Get over yourself, lady.
Hi, is there a problem?
No, what's going on?
Then why were you staring at me?
I'm sorry?
Tak to lachování úplně miluju, ty vogo, když vidíš nějakou takovou... Ne, nebudu to vůbec komentovat, protože tohle znám velmi dobře u spousty lidí a tady tohle nedělají jenom ženy, ale když si někdo takhle začne chovat, tak prostě úplně si říkáš, co máš v té hlavě, máš tam nasráno, nebo prostě myslíš si, že celý vesmír se točí kolem tebe?
Hey,
Fakt ne.
is there a problem?
No, there's no problem.
Then why were you just staring at me?
Were you staring at me?
Who the are you guys?
All right here, bro.
Why are there so many ring
I'm
lights?
a micro-influencer, but you wouldn't know what
Ladies,
that is.
cover up. You know, we shouldn't have to do this,
Coats,
but
in the middle
here
of
we
summer.
are doing it.
Very cool.
Yeah, try us now.
The whole thing.
Good luck.
It's on
You're gonna put
tape.
this on YouTube? Yeah, guy does nothing at the gym and gets her ass?
Oh my god, is this creep staring at you? I saw you looking at me.
Who the is this?
You on camera.
I know that this is a skit, but gyms are filled with attention-starved people just like these.
True. Já mám dost.
How's that for equality? They don't want to solve the issue, they want to farm the drama.
Throwback to when I was at the gym and could feel myself being watched. So I set my phone down and caught this. This
Jako
is why women feel uncomfortable at the gym.
záleží, co tam dělala.
Creepy men.
Seriously, am I missing something? This guy's on his phone, resting between sets, wondering why you're recording him at all.
To je taky true.
Hi. No.
The way in which this man just clearly communicated no to this girl sitting right in front of him, it makes me think that he must have known her. And he already knows that it is just not worth it. My other working theory is that it's love at first sight, that he just knows that she's going to mess up his life. And that is a scary thing for a man that has been single and found his peace. Because he already enjoys his life. He doesn't even really feel like he needs to add much to it because he loves his work. He loves his free time. He may or may not like hanging out with friends. He has free time and does whatever he wants during that free time. He could literally just sit and turn off his brain and be in his nothing box. Or he could decide to be super productive and do a bunch of things. He could build a deck. He could
To je pravda, no, že jak ona tam říká, teď jsem se na to vzpomněl, jak ona říká o tom nothing boxu, což je vlastně box, který má jenom chlapy, je to box ničeho, do kterého si můžou kdykoliv vlézt, tak je to věc, kterou ženy třeba nemají, jo, a je to neskutečná pravda. Neskutečná pravda.
Grill some food. He could make homemade pasta from scratch if he wanted to for the first time ever. That woman that he falls in love with, she's going to mess that up, and it's either going to be in the best way or the worst way.
She wanted a rom-com moment, but bro was not having it.
Sorry.
What are you doing?
Sorry, what?
What are you doing? You're recording. That shouldn't be allowed.
No. I'm doing a video.
No, because I can see myself and I can see other people in the background as well.
Yeah.
And you shouldn't really be videoing other people without their permission.
No, but I'm not doing that.
I hate both of them, but here's the thing. All this drama could be avoided if you just banned cameras at the gym.
To není vůbec špatný nápad, jako upřímně, kdyby se nemohlo natáčet v tom posilce, tak by to řešilo spoustu problémů.
Bro just got picked up and tossed like a rag doll.
This is a hidden eye tracker that I use to catch guys creeping on girls at the gym. And this guy thinks he's going to his girlfriend's house for a movie night. But I'm actually about to expose the evidence to his girlfriend.
Please sit down, sir.
Oh, no.
2 weeks ago, I took Jesse to the gym.
To what he thought would be a normal workout, but what he didn't know is that I planted 3 Instagram models to tempt him to look where he shouldn't, and my hidden cameraman would be able to capture everything.
Today we're gonna see how many times Jesse looked.
There was only one problem.
I figured it out. How did you know? The whole time, I'm like, why am I in the background of every one of these guys' videos? Like, are they trying to secretly film me or something? And then I'm thinking, in modern day at the gym, all these dudes are getting called out by like accidentally glancing at a girl.
He looked over at you for 1 freaking second.
I'm sorry, but this man did nothing wrong.
This is ridiculous.
So I just closed my eye in the workout. So
Did I catch you?
You might have called me.
That gym is filled with creeps, and the poor man working out with his eyes closed to avoid drama is the only innocent one. Shame on all of them.
Get the hell on. Take that dumb with you.
From start to finish, through filming, editing, and posting, this man really thought this was a good.
Jako jo, no, pokud je někdo ve fitku a dá si tam třeba jenom láhev s vodou, prostě dejte si tam ručník, zůstaňte na tom daném místě, odcvičte tu sérii a běžte dál. Nezůstávejte tam, nebo ne... To dělá strašně moc lidí, že si tam nechá třeba lahev s vodou, nechá tam ručník a jdou do prdele a fakt jako 20 minut jsou někde v hajzlu a potom se tam přijdou udělat jednu sérii a zase odejdou úplně do řití. Prostě blokujete celý přístroj jenom proto, že prostě vy tam potřebujete odjet jednu sérii za 20 minut.
Look, yikes.
Ach jo.
Bro, what you doing, G?
Huh?
Man's goals, what you doing? If I see man's in prep, what's going on?
Bro, you're looking a bit weak, bro. I thought you needed help. Yeah.
It's not weak, G. What's he talking about?
But I saw you from there. I thought you needed help. You look like you're struggling, bro. You look like you're struggling. I swear to God. What? Relax, bro. I was trying to help you, bro. Relax. I'm trying to help you, bro. Go do your thing, man. Do your thing. Do your thing. Do your thing. Do your thing, bro.
Tak vypadni.
Shall I show you how to do it?
Ach
Shall I
jo.
show you?
Yo, I'm using it, bro. I'm using it.
Yeah, same.
You can jump in on me, innit? You might want to reduce that weight.
Huh?
Drop the weight, you're gonna hurt yourself, innit?
No, I'm good, bro. I'm good.
Alright, let me do my set.
Huh?
Let me do my set.
I'm using it, bro.
Bro, are you okay?
Am I okay?
Yeah.
Are you okay?
Rage baity.
Move out the way, man.
Where?
A třeba tohle mi divné vůbec nepřijde, spoustu bodybuilderů nebo v podstatě lidí, co cvičí, tak opravdu si třeba sundají to tričko, aby viděli propnutí svalu, aby viděli opravdu, že ten sval zabírá po celou dobu té série. Možná se můžu. jenom moc dlouho.
So this YouTube prankster got his channel terminated when one of his acid pranks went too far. Let's take a look.
Once mentioned anything about acid in the video. I could have clickbaited it. I could have said, honestly, shouldn't have been terminated. It's what I make a living by. I spent a good 3 years building it, putting blood, sweat and tears into it. And for it to just get taken like that, it's not really like fair on me.
When you play stupid games, you win stupid prizes. What can I say? You can wear whatever you want, but if you dress like a circus act, don't get mad when people buy tickets.
Máme tam v našem fitku existuje jedna slečna, nebudu ji vůbec jmenovat, ale existuje jedna slečna, která se oblíká fakt jako dost vyzývavě a dokonce i tak, že prostě spousta věcí jde vidět, ale prostě nechci říkat takovou tu otřepanou frázi, že si za to, že holky jako můžou sami, že se stanou třeba obětí jako nějakého znásilnění nebo tak, protože to jako ne, to má úplně vymrdáno v hlavě ten daný člověk, který je znásilní, ale v podstatě, když jako jde do toho fitka a odhalí skoro úplně všechno, že si vezme, neříkám sportovní podprsenku, ale říkám prostě podprsenku, která fakt odhaluje víceméně všechno, že i když jenom procházíte kolem, tak prostě vidíte fakt jako všechno, tak v takových momentech si prostě říkáš, tak jasně, že se ti lidi podívají, prostě všichni jsme jenom chlapi.
Not everybody wants to star in your show. Not everybody feels confident and comfortable in front of a camera. And just because you're questioned by someone doesn't mean you get to call them a Karen and demonize them. Just simply say, you're sorry, move the camera away, get on with it. You've got such a large following and you could use this as an educational point, but instead you decide to belittle people. Strong people uplift others. Have a great day.
Lady, your camera's pointing at most of the gym. Go to a corner, or better yet, don't record at all.
Tohle už se mi taky hodněkrát stalo. Tohle dělají většinou lidi, kteří mají opravdu jako nasráno v hlavě a doslova jsou schopni přijít třeba a z benče vám sebrat 20 kilovku jenom proto, že prostě oni ji potřebujou a nemůžou ji najít někde jinde a říkají si, tady tenhle má méně svalů než já, takže já si na něho můžu dovolit.
Why are you working out with a supervillain in the first place?
Oh, perfect. This is the best opportunity to get his attention.
Oh, please don't go on that. Please don't go on that machine.
Go on the one right in front of him.
No, 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 no. I don't want to be known as a gym creep. Please don't go on that.
Oh, so I've just got on the bike at the gym and my gym crush is right behind me on the treadmill, but he's not looking at me at all. I mean, how do I get his attention?
This is just not a good situation to be in. I cannot have a female in front of my eyesight. Like, it's just a no-no. I do not want to be known as the gym creep.
Oh, he's not looking. This will get his attention.
Oh no, what's she doing? Oh no, 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 I can't risk it. I can't risk it. I'm not being known as the gym creep. It's not happening.
Right, so if he's not going to look at me naturally, then I'm just going to have to go a bit over the top here and put on a show. He won't be able to take his eyes off of me.
Right, I'm just going to have to get out of this situation, aren't I?
Je to vyhnané, redukce ab absurdum, ale prostě jako jo,
the gym creep
it
is a
is
big
what it
no-no,
is.
all right? And that is something I do not want to be known for.
My man started moonwalking to avoid this woman. I didn't think I'd ever see that one. I can already hear it. Excuse me, you're in my shot.
So this was an article that I was reading about a trend of male-only gyms. So females come into these gyms and they make it about themselves. They wear the booty shorts. They're a distraction. and it's taking away from the broship and testosterone and the
I have a
working out
question.
and the competition of a men's only gym. Yeah.
What do you mean they make it about themselves?
They make it about themselves. They want to be the spectacle of the gym. They want to put themselves in the center of attention, whether or not it's selfies and live streaming and, you know, looking as good as you can. When it's not about the workout, it's about themselves and the spectacle of going to the gym.
Okay.
If you pretty yourself up to go to the gym, right, you're making a spectacle out of you being there instead of you showing up and it's about the workout and nobody could be in the room and you won't be disappointed.
When men go to the gym, we don't want to trend, we want to train.
How to silence.
Jako je fakt, že je úplně jedno, jak vypadáte ve fitku. Jako ještě když jsem začínal úplně já, vážil jsem nějakých 108 kg, tak prostě jsem chodil normálně v teplákách a v tričku a bylo mi to úplně uprdele. Byl jsem rád, že dělám něco pro své zdraví. Ale jsou prostě fakt jako holky, které si dají třeba make-up, normálně si dají prostě takovej ten voděodolný make-up, aby i když se spotí, tak aby to drželo
Karens at the
si ve
gym
fitku.
who don't like
Jako to
grunting.
nezajímá.
Didn't think Mr. Clean out of all people was going through a midlife crisis. Keep it down, sir. And those creeps staring at you, are they in the room with us right now? That's an empty gym. Well, she did get his number. She got blocked in the process, too.
Yikes.
I don't think I've ever seen anybody crawling on a treadmill, nor do I think I ever want to see it again.
I can't believe I got this
To ani radši nebudu komentovat.
on video.
Your top. Do you really think you can walk around the gym wearing that? My top? Your boots are hanging out. We're in a public place. Can you be respectful? Are you kidding me? No, we're in a public place. Do you not see everyone around you? No one has to be looking at your boots hanging out. I'm fine, thank you. Well, I don't think you are. Okay, bye. Whatever, put a shirt on next.
To úplně miluju tady ten přístup úplně. Bye. Místo toho, aby uznala to, že se opravdu oblíkla prostě špatně a nikoho to nezajímá, tak prostě ona bude se tvářit jako, že je nejdůležitější člověk na světě. Yikes.
Is this what we're doing now? Getting our friends to fake outrage to farm some clicks? Lady, I've seen better acting in a shampoo commercial.
This guy is triggering my anxiety. I know, it's pissing me off. I can't help but laugh. I know. No, it's pissing me off. It's just annoying because I'm like, comes out behind you. It's like... The thing is with the creepy men, is that you give them an inch and they take a mile. Like, because we smiled at him. Well, that's only because he stares at you.
Já vážně nechci být hnusný, ale nemyslím si, že se na vás dívá, protože se mu jako líbíte. Tak samo jako sám sebe bych rejtnul na 3, 4, tak tlačny budou taky kolem té 3.
Yeah, and you, if you don't, and you're going to be rude. Stop being creepy.
The man smiled and waved. Are they really acting like they survived a horror movie?
Tak tohle je přesně to, když říkají, že někdo je attention seeker. Natáčet TikToky v gymu před tolika lidmi.
Please, please, please don't do this nonsense at the gym. You're there to work out, not film TikTok dance videos. And listen, I'm all for dance between sets or on the treadmill. Love to see people do it. I do it myself. but you don't do it standing directly next to somebody that's working out just so you can distract them to get a reaction so you can film it and post it on social media for likes and attention. People in the gym are not accessories for your social media content. Be more respectful of them. You need to do better. Mind your own business.
This will be the same person who posts a follow-up video saying, look at
Yep,
these
nemám
creeps
co k tomu
staring at
dodat.
me. This is exactly why men are leaving public gyms, because they've become places for filming TikTok dances and
Je pravda, že spousta lidí začíná preferovat takové ty soukromé gymy, kde opravdu jako si můžou zaplatit, že tam jsou jenom čistě sami, protože tam opravdu jako přijdou, soustředí se na sebe a na vlastní progres a potom odejdou a jsou spokojení, ale v těch jako hromadných gymech, kde jsou fakt jako všichni, tak je spousta takových lidí, kteří prostě chtějí jenom čistě vaši pozornost a
instead of actually working
potřebují si
out.
natočit
You guys have
pitomý
made it to the end
TikTok.
of the video. Make sure to like and subscribe to prove you're an alpha. And remember,
OK, to bude dnešního videa všechno. Díky moc, že jste se dívali a budu rád za každý like, koment, nebo když mi dáte rovnou suba. A uvidíme se zase někdy příště. Čau.